In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now hit Google. Tap on All Services. And scroll again, this time to hit Autofill with Google. Now it's time to tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password at the top to input all of its informations. But if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Exit Settings and log in to any app. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Autofill with Google Settings. Hit Google Password Manager, and with all of those options finally visible, hit Add Password at the top. Now you need to add all of those informations. Here you can input any website, or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!